Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Ducati Scrambler 800 lineup first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The 2023 Ducati Scrambler 800 lineup is here, and it has a wide variety of updates to the chassis, transmission, electronics, and styling. Not all the changes are visible, so let's go inside and see what Ducati has done to this popular retro motorcycle. There are three 2023 Scrambler 800s in the initial announcement. For 2023, you'll have a choice between the Icon, Full Throttle, and Nightshift. The trio shares the same platform with virtually identical specifications. The 2023 Ducati Scrambler 800s get a new lighter frame. While still a trellis design, Ducati has shaved nearly 9 pounds off the old design. There's a new swing arm and mounting position for the KYB shocks. The rear subframe is now removable, much to the delight of custom builders. More casual customizers will appreciate that the new fuel tank features swappable side plates. The new frame has changed the steering angle slightly. The rake is the same, though the trail is reduced by 1/10 of an inch. The stylish 18-17-inch wheel combo sizing is back, but the wheels are new. The Scrambler 800s will continue to sport period-correct Pirelli MT60 RS rubber. While the Desmodue motor is unchanged, the transmission gets a workover. The air oil-cooled 2-valve engine still puts out 73 horsepower at 8250 revolutions per minute. Though there's a minor change in torque production, the clutch gets a complete redesign. Ducati engineers shrunk the clutch's size and redesigned the cover to give the rider more footroom. It's now an 8-disc design that is 5.5 pounds lighter and has a lighter pull. The shift drum for the transmission is now bearing mounted for improved action. Finally, the crankcase cover is new. The engine is now ride-by-wire. That modernization allows the integration of traction control into the two new riding modes, road and wet. Wet mode softens the throttle response and ramps up the traction control. Cornering aware, ABS returns for the previous Scrambler 800s. With the bottom-end updates and ride-by-wire comes a quick shifter. The quick shifter will be standard on the Full Throttle and an option on the Icon and Nightshift. The new Scrambler 800s get a new 4.3-inch TFT dash. The screen is an HMI, human-machine interface, design that delivers information more effectively. The Ducati multimedia system, which links your smartphone to the dash, is now a Scrambler 800 option. The 2023 Ducati Scrambler Icon gets some updates of its own. There are 3 colors: 62 yellow, thrilling black, Ducati red, along with 6 accessory kits with tank covers, fenders, headlight covers, and wheel tags for a distinctive look. The seat is more tapered, and the new handlebar moves the grips lower and closer to the rider. Also, there are new side panels. The Icon is the least expensive Scrambler, with a list price of $10,995. The 2023 Ducati Scrambler Full Throttle is positioned as the sportiest of the fraternal triplets. You can't miss the Termignoni muffler, of course. However, the Full Throttle also has a sportier riding position. Bobbed front fender, no rear subframe mounted fender, skid plate, Ducati Performance LED turn signals, red tagged wheels, and number plates with number 62 proudly displaced. The latter is a reminder that the Ducati Scrambler debuted in 1962. The price tag on the Full Throttle is $12,195, and it is available in one color scheme: red GP19, dark stealth. The 2023 Ducati Scrambler Nightshift stakes out its own styling territory. The wire-spoked wheels are the star of the show, along with bar-end mirrors and LED turn signals. The Nightshift shares the same fender treatments as the Full Throttle. The Nightshift has the same manufacturer's suggested retail price as the Full Throttle. Befitting its name, the Nightshift is only available in Nebula Blue. Ducati will have a full range of accessories for the Scrambler 800s and the Rider. Hard parts and apparel are in no short supply. Don't expect to see anything from the 2023 Ducati Scrambler 800 lineup on showroom floors until spring 2023. You'll have to be especially patient for the Nightshift, which isn't due until the summer. What do you think about the new Scrambler 800? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.